Hello guys. So today we are going to see how we can use these MCPs, whatever MCPs we have created, right? And any right third parties MCPs, right? Which is being created by some other, right? Uh, and see how this is how we can see, right? One unified user interface where you can register any MCP, your MCP or any third party MCP, and you can start interacting by using LLM. So this is just high level architecture. You can see I have created here some user interface, right, where you can register any MCP, right, which is created in React, and whole, right, MCP client, MCP host, right, which is using this, right, LLM open AI, right. So that is written in Python. Okay, and then, right, we have these MCP servers, which is currently, right, it's at local system in my local machine, and we are using STDIO protocols to connect to the MCP server via MCP client. Now as you have in previous sessions, you have already seen, right, that we have created, right, some MCP server, whether MCPs, and right, those MCP server which we have created, right, locally, which is STDIO based, and we have also seen, right, some SSC based MCP server, right. Now SSC is deprecated. Just please note down, everyone. Now SSC is deprecated by Anthropic, and now streamable HTTP is what which they are doing, which is highly secure compared to SSC one. So due to some security reasons, they have dropped this SSC and they came up with the streamable HTTP. And again, it is an event stream based, where your response will be, right. It's of the stream type. Okay, event streaming type. So we'll quickly jump to the to this demo of this one. Then we can just see a walkthrough of my source code. And yes, if you want my source code, right, my GitHub access link, so please subscribe to this channel first and just give me a comment saying that yeah, you want this source code, right. So I will just provide you the access and share you the link. Okay, with your user ID you can just share. I will just provide the access. Okay, quickly jump to this. I will just start my server. So you can see this is my front end, okay, which is React. In React, which where we have created all those, right, interface and all. Okay, so this is the first. I will start the server. Okay, let me start my backend server. Okay, so you can see here, this is my Python, right, backend, which I have created here. So everything is here, where I am using these MCP clients, right, using this MCP use, MCP agent, MCP client, and all those things, right. So LangChain, OpenAI, because I am using OpenAI here. Now I will just quickly start this server first. So you con py backend and this main.py, and this app is, right, starting. So it's started now. Front end, now I will start. So I need to just again add new terminal here. So npm start. Okay, I need to go to front end folder and then npm start. Okay, it's starting now. So meanwhile it is starting, you can see this structure of my project. See, this is my backend. This is a simple main.py, which I have used it here. So I'm using MCP use, right, and using this MCP agent, MCP client of it, right, fast API, right, to make API calls, LangChain API, OpenAI, right. So, and just for logging, temp file, JSON, right. So if you can just see a quick view here. So whenever we register any MCP, right, through UI, it will create this MCP JSON here. Like, see, I have already registered here, right, weather MCP, right, weather MCP, and this, right, it is using stdio, right. So this file is here only. Okay, and then uv command, right, which actually runs this, right, and it gets the it invokes this file and we gets the response. Similarly, I have added some third-party MCPs also. So I have installed this XL MCP in my machine. Okay, so this XL MCP I will tell you later how you can install it, because it's a third party. You can just Google it. You will get this XL MCP, and then you can install it in your machine. So see this MCP server they have created using this TypeScript. Okay, JavaScript TypeScript there. So that's why here you see UVX command is sorry, this is again it is created in the Python based. So UVX they are using. So we have a various, right, we can create it in any languages MCP servers. So in TypeScript also you can create it. So where you can use npx. So they will be providing with the npx command node package, right, where they are delivering it as a node package, this MCP server, and then using node command you can just execute it. So whatever you are seeing here, right, this is everything is stdio based. Okay, when it comes to, right, streamable HTTP, then an SSC is deprecated, right? So when SSC or streamable HTTP comes, then no need of these commands, local execution of these files, right? They need some URL, and URL is hosted somewhere, right? It's in somewhere central server. Just URL you need to point it to. Okay, so that is the difference, right? Now you can see one word MCP, right, which deals with the word file manipulations, reading, everything, right? So Word document also I have given, which is, right, Office Word MCP server, which I have registered here. So I think now UI is up now. So we can just quickly jump to this UI. We can see. So yeah, so you can see this is my UI, and I think earlier I have tried something. So you can see, right, now you can see here whether MCP, whatever, right, which I have registered. So if you want to register any new MCP, right, so you need to just do like this. Okay, add new MCP, and whatever command, right, you need to give an add argument and just save it. So I will just edit one. You can see, right, see, so here you see I have given this, right, whether MCP, my command, right, UV run with MCP CLI MCP run, and this is my path of this, right, weather.py file. If you see similar to this my XL MCP which I have installed, right, so XL MCP what it needs, it just need XL MCP server, right, as an argument, and stdio, right, because it's mode in stdio mode we are running this. It's a third party XL. Similarly, right, word, right. Okay, so this way you can register it, and I have given some dark mode, right. So this way you can. So let me ask something. So now when I will call this, right, so it will go to LLM, and right, it will ask, because see here I have not selected anything, direct OpenAI it is doing. Okay, so whatever chat I am doing, right, it is direct to the OpenAI. Who is, do you know Shakespeare? Do you know Shakespeare? So see, it is going to OpenAI. Okay, so he is telling, right, yes, I am familiar with the William Shakespeare, who was the English playwright, poet, and actor, widely regarded as one of the greatest writer, right. So you can see it is going to this OpenAI, because I have provided my OpenAI key here. Okay, so this OpenAI key, right, it is stored in my browser here, and in every call, right, it sends this OpenAI key, and Python backend, right, executes the code using this OpenAI. Now you can see it is giving. So now I see, can you list me the top 5 novels with summary, right, summary and popularity in tabular format. So again it will go to this one, because this is what it is available, right, it is our OpenAI is trained with that, right. So you see it is giving, right, some tabular format. Now see, if I have to store this in an Excel file, right, I need some MCP because this doesn't know, right, where to deal with the Excel file, my local Excel file, and right to local drives and all, right. If I it will not create, right, it will not save in my local drive. So I need some Excel, some MCP. So now I will just select, say, Excel MCP, okay, and I will just tell this guy that please 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 write write above information in Excel in Excel in my D drive in my D drive in my D drive. Give any name of your choice. So let's see it is what it does. So see, it has created this file, top novels list, on your D drive. It contains a table of 5 popular novels with their summaries and popularity information. So see, so MCP has worked here, and if you see here, right, earlier this response was coming from OpenAI. Now this one is, right, it is using this Excel MCP. Okay, now now we will see this file, right, in whether it has created actually or not. I will go to my D drive. Just remember, top novel list, D drive, see, it has created here top novel list. Just now you can see here it is 1836 times just now. So I'll open this. So it has created one new sheet called top novels, and yeah, here see, it has created author and novel, right, and summary. So you can see, right, it has created created basically, right, this file MCP server has created. So it's good, right? So let me check, right, so with enduring popularity, right, so all those details, right, it has created it. So that's cool, right? Our work is so easy now using this MCP server, right? Now if I will say this, right, see, I can do anything now with my Excel. Can you please create chart around it around it in same Excel. Oh, so, but we need to close this, okay, otherwise it will not do. So see, you can see, right, if it is open, it will not able to read. So I will tell, can you try again? And if you see here, right, in backend, see, if you see here in backend, see, it is using MCP. See, if you can see my logs, see, MCP use, it is going, and out of 15 steps, right, it is trying all those steps, agent execution, right, and agent execution completed, right, all those things you can see clearly here. So it is doing, right, see, if you see here, it has using these tools, right, create chart with input, right, it is creating the chart also, right, using these tools. So this MCP server, right, whatever I have registered, it has all those many tools are there, right, in this. So it is automatically selecting create chart tool, and which does all those things, creation of the charts and all, right. So now we'll quickly jump to UI again. We'll see what I have successfully created. A bar chart title, see, chart also it has created. So let me open the Excel file. Where is that Excel? Top novel list. Let's see whether it has created something or not. Oh yes, it has created something. So based on this data, right, it is trying to create something here. with popularity novel, right? So cool. This is so you can see all those things it is trying to create here. So this way you can try any task, you can do any tasks. Okay, so I'll now quickly go to switch to our MCP. Okay, see this weather MCP which we have created, right? So I will ask this MCP server now, can you please tell me weather forecast in California. So just see the logs here, see where it goes. See it has used our tool, right? You see tools calls get forecast with input, right? Latitude, longitude, automatically it is taking. So you can see, right, it is using that our MCP tool, right? Get forecast, which we have created, right, earlier in previous sessions we have seen, right? So we'll quickly go to UI again. Oh wow, see it has given that, right? So here is the weather forecast for California today, temperature, this one, right? So now I can do anything, I can write it into the Excel or anything, right? I can switch to this one and I can do. So this is a weather MCP which is giving us, right? So similar way you can write as many as based on your requirement, any MCP server, right? And you can start interacting with your UI. So you can give this view to your customers also, right? Where you can chat, right? You can, and it will connect to your MCP server, right? They can get any real-time data, anything, right? Business data, anything, right? They can just get it in just quick, just in natural language easily. Okay, so now we'll see something more related to this. See, I have some document here, right? Which I cannot read it, I cannot understand, right? It is some legal, some payment document or something, right? Which I cannot understand easily, right? You can see this is a Word file. Now if I will try to give this to this my Word document MCP. So I will ask, please read SOA dot doc. It is a doc file. First let's see. So it's a docx file, SOA7.docs, right? SOA7.docs file from T drive, and tell me total payment done so far. Wow. So you can see, right, it is giving something, right, indicated in the document, something, right? 20,676, right? Cool. Can you give the breakup? Give the breakup give the date wise payments done. So we'll see it is seeing such a complex document here, right, which a human, right, can not easily, right, without formatting or anything, they cannot be able to understand, right? So this guy is trying to see, it has giving all the, right, breakups and all, right, when it has reached, and now you can store it in a So this is cool, right? So you can do anything, right? You can write your own MCP server. You want to do anything, or you can use, right? Means use any third-party MCP server and register. So this code is quite powerful, where you can register any MCP server and you can start interacting with this one. So this is our backend, Python backend, right? So I hope you guys you have liked this. If you want my this front end code and this backend code, right, for your reference, so that you can you can on top of this you can write your own code and all, right, if you want to refer my code. So please do subscribe my channel and just ping me in on the comments, and I will provide you the access. Okay. Yeah, thank you everyone for viewing this video. Yeah, thanks. Please comment out. I will